fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to have multiple Monopoly Go accounts on your device. To do so, you first need to go to your phone and then go to the Play Store and search for any app cloner like this one right here. This one is called Clone App. So once you've installed this, go to the app like so, and then click on the plus button on the bottom right side of your screen and search for Monopoly Go. Just right here, and click on this plus button on the right side of it like so. As you can see, it is installed now. Now once I click it, it will take me to the app. So once you're in the app, you can add another account and then play with different accounts on your phone. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you'll never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Stace. Happy gaming.